Scene opens with a breathtaking aerial shot of a vast network of rivers snaking through a lush green landscape. The sun is just beginning to rise, casting a golden range glow over the fields and water. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to witness a land where nature paints its own masterpiece every single day? A place where rivers are not just waterways, but the very lifeblood of a nation, and where ancient forests whisper tales of the wild. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey into the heart of a country defined by its spectacular natural beauty. The visuals transition to majestic, wide shots of the Padma and Jamuna rivers. The water is calm, reflecting the morning sky. Small wooden boats glide gently across the surface, their silhouettes stark against the dawn light. We see close-ups of fishermen casting their nets, their movements practiced and serene. Welcome to Bangladesh, the land of 1,000 rivers. Here, the mighty Padma and the powerful Jamuna carve their paths through the terrain, nurturing the soil and sustaining millions. These rivers are more than just geographical features. They are the arteries of the nation, shaping the culture, the economy, and the daily rhythm of life. At dawn, as the first light touches the water, a timeless dance begins between humans and nature, a tradition passed down through generations. The scene shifts dramatically to the dense, mysterious Sundarbans mangrove forest. The camera glides through the tangled roots and thick canopy. A fleeting, powerful glimpse of a royal Bengal tiger is seen through the foliage. A flock of colorful birds takes flight, soaring over the endless expanse of green. Deep in the south lies the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world, a mystical realm of emerald green and winding waterways. This UNESCO World Heritage Site shelters the majestic Royal Bengal tiger, the proud and elusive king of this domain. But the tiger is not alone. Bangladesh is a sanctuary for countless species, a vibrant tapestry of biodiversity where nature thrives in its purest form. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, all coexisting in this incredible ecosystem.